Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Perfect English with Mamta. On this channel, I explain prose, poetry, and grammar in the simplest way possible, helping you understand concepts clearly and write perfect answers in your exams. Let's start today's lesson and enjoy learning English like never before. Hello everyone, today we are learning common mistakes to avoid while writing a letter to the editor. Many students struggle while writing a letter to the editor. They often get confused about the correct format, tone, and purpose. Even when students know the basics, they often make small errors that lose marks. In this video, we will understand the common mistakes students make and learn how to write a clear, organized, and effective letter to the editor. Incorrect address format. Now please take care over here. Do not mix up sender's and receiver's address. Remember to write the editor and name of the newspaper. Subject line should not be very long. It should be very clear and related to the question. A problem. This is an incorrect subject line. You should always start with complain about, and after that the problem. Never address the letter to the principal or the manager. Letter to the editor. So always address it to the editor. Here if you make mistakes, your whole answer will go wrong. Students write long background stories and delay mentioning the main problem. Instead, give a hint of the problem in the first paragraph. It's so easy. Do not ask the editor for help. Editor letters must address social or public concerns, not personal problems. They are only responsible for printing your letter or your article. They are not here for fixing the street lights or potholes or any other problem. So don't be too personal. Slang or chat style language is not allowed in literature. Hi, hello, I wanna, thanks a lot. These words cannot be used in a letter to the editor. This is informal language. Do not use over emotional lines like I am very upset, I am angry. Do not use contractions don apostrophe t, don't or can't. You have to stick to formal English. Do not give impractical or specific suggestions which don't make sense. Instead, give practical and possible solutions. Take care of your grammar, tenses, symbols. Do not write symbols like and. Don't miss any article. Don't exceed the word limit. No long and confusing sentences. The letter should be short, crisp, and within the word limit. You are writing a letter to the editor, so no need of writing yours lovingly. Do not forget your name, your designation, or your signature. Each thing carries a mark. Now let us clearly understand the format of letter to the editor. First, sender's address. Usually you will be given in the question. Leave a line after this. Date 29 June 2026. Do not write it as 29/06/26. Leave a line after date, receiver's designation and address, the editor, name of the newspaper, city, and you can write a pin code over here. Again, leave a line after this. After that comes the subject. As we had a word about it, a short, catchy, and stating the main issue. It should always be within 6 to 8 words. Leave a line after this again. After that comes salutation, sir, madam. Body of the letter, paragraph 1, introduction. You have to state the purpose of writing the letter. You can always start the letter with, through the columns of your esteemed newspaper, I would like to draw the attention of the concerned authorities and the general public towards the whatever the problem is. Then comes the second paragraph. In the second paragraph, you can write the detail, the causes, the effects, the current state of the problem, explain how it is affecting daily life, people, or the environment. Here you can give 2 or 3 solid examples. Third paragraph, conclusion and suggestions. So let us give editor the solutions, practical solutions. You cannot ask the editor to solve the problem. Instead, offer a few practical solutions and request them to raise awareness so the actual authorities can take action. Here I have given you a standard closing line which you can use for every letter. I hope you will publish this letter in your daily so that the higher authorities take immediate and necessary steps to resolve this matter. You can leave a line after this body. Complimentary close, always yours faithfully or yours sincerely. Your signature, your name, it will be provided in the question. Stick to the word limit. 100 or 120 will be the word limit in your question paper. Please stick to that. Keep it strictly formal, polite, and objective. Avoid emotional or aggressive language. Remember, the editor cannot fix the broken roads or stop electricity cuts. Their job is only to highlight it. Your tone must reflect that you want public and official attention, not a direct fix from the newspaper.